Welcome to our guide on how to install Minecraft mods. Mods enhance your gameplay, adding new features and elements to explore. Before you start, let's review the requirements for installing mods on both Windows and mobile devices. Always back up your game files before installing mods to prevent any loss of data. Let's see how to do that. Make sure to download mods from safe and reliable sources. Here are some platforms you can trust. To run most mods on Windows, you'll need to install either Forge or Fabric. Let's go through the installation process. Once you have Forge or Fabric, it's time to add your mods to the Mods folder. Let's locate it. For Minecraft Pocket Edition on mobile, the installation process is a bit different. Here's how to do it. Not all mods work with every version of Minecraft. Ensure compatibility to avoid crashes and issues. Now that everything is set up, let's launch Minecraft with your new mods and see them in action. If you encounter any problems, here are some common issues and solutions to help you out. That's it for our guide on installing Minecraft mods. For more information, check out the resources linked below.